Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. So I've got a side-by-side comparison here today between the brand new Echo Spot and the brand new Echo Show, the 8-inch version. And as you can see, they are quite different in form factor. The Echo Spot does look a lot more modern, a lot more compact, as opposed to the Echo Show, which retains its boxy look. But the Echo Show wins out in my view because of the additional functionality which you have. Now, both of these new products have the new Alexa Plus, which is a lot more conversational and a lot better compared to the old standard Alexa offering. However, they are nowhere near as good as the Copilot, ChatGPT sort of voice feature that you would get, because it still isn't at that level of conversation, but it is better than the old version. Now, why can I not recommend the Echo Spot? Well, with this 2.8-inch display, you can't do any kind of streaming, you can't show your Ring cameras, while you can on the Echo Show. So I'm sitting here in sunny California in San Francisco at the moment, and I quite like watching the news in the morning. So I can ask the Echo Show to just play the news and it will do that. I can't do that on my Echo Dot. Also, some of the information which you asked for is more limited. So let's give this a go. So I've muted both devices at the moment, and I've named this one Ziggy and this one Alexa so that they don't get confused. So I'm just going to show you the difference in just asking the weather, and you can see the difference in terms of the display limitations. Ziggy, what's the weather today?
It's a sunny day in San Francisco. Currently 19 degrees with a high of 23 and a low of 14.
So as you can see there, it's given me the weather. It's just shown me a snapshot of what it is now. And it's given me that just limited information. And you could see that it wasn't making much use of the display. Now let me ask the same question of the Echo Show on the 8-inch display, and you'll see the difference. Alexa, what's the weather today?
It's a sunny day in San Francisco. Currently 67 degrees with a high of 72 and a low of 58.
So as you can see, it's given me a lot more information there. If I just go through this and scroll, it's giving me the timelines, which is a feature I quite like. I want to know what's the weather going to be like in an hour, how's it going to change, and I can just sort of scroll. I can sort of also scroll to actually see what it's going to be for the week as well. It's giving me the UV index as well. It's telling me that's currently low. It's telling me the wind, humidity, and the pollen. So it's giving me a lot more information at a glance compared to the limited information that I had on the Echo Spot. So you can kind of get a feel there of how limited this is. So I mentioned the news. So let me just give you an example of how it plays the news, and also let me show the difference in volume, because this thing does go quite loud as well. So Alexa, play CNBC News. Alexa, play CNBC News.
From CNBC.
She is former Bridgewater Chief Investment Strategist. She is now a senior fellow at the Council on Foreign Relations. Rebecca, there's so many angles that this is fast money. We're trying to bring it back to the investor. And what, if anything, to Dan's point, maybe this doesn't mean squat. What's your take?
There's so many things that have to line up.
So as you can see, it's got quite a good range of volume. The display as well is good. You can see that from across, if you're sitting at a table, you can see it, and you're not straining yourself to see that display. It's nice and clear. The volume is nice and clear. So I quite like that feature. So I'm just going to show you what happens if I try asking the same instruction on
this is
the
still
Echo
a
Spot so you
probability,
can see
not
the
a
difference and you can see the
eventuality.
volume as well.
What I'm looking at.
Ziggy, play NBC News.
From ABC News.
ABC News, I'm Dave Packer.
As you can see there, it has a detection issue delay and sometimes it'll play the wrong news.
When a gunman started shooting through the stained glass windows.
But look how it's sort of playing that. Let me give that another go and see if you can pick it up the right way now. Ziggy, play NBC News.
From ABC News.
As you can see, the detection on the spot in terms of voice accuracy seems to be much poorer as well than compared to the Echo show. I'm going to give it one more go, see if I can get it to pick it up correctly. Ziggy, go home. Ziggy, play NBC News.
From ABC News.
No, you just feel like giving up. Ziggy, play NBC.
From ABC News.
As you can see, it just really does not want to do this, and this is the frustration that I've had with it, that it will do it sometimes, but most of the times it will get the information incorrect. And as you can see, it won't display any images, it will just have this. So if I go with ABC News on the other device, you'll see the difference. So if I just mute this.
Because they should not happen.
The FBI is calling.
Alexa, play ABC News.
From ABC.
Super special being able to celebrate these milestones with him.
In December, Morgan also earns a 2-year chip of her own in front of her classmates.
Felt good. She's proving.
Alexa, stop. So as you can see, the Alexa device, the Echo Show device, picked up the sound much better. It got me to the right channel. As you can see, it's got ABC News. You can see the display. While on that one, it won't show any video. It will just show the audio, but it will get, as you said, it will frequently get the audio incorrect. It won't understand what you're actually requesting. So for all of those reasons, I'd say if you're choosing between the two, stick with this device. It does come in a smaller version, a 5-inch one. And I would say if you want something smaller in form to this, go with the 5-inch one. I think this 8-inch works really well at the kitchen table or next to your bedside, but I would definitely leave this one out altogether. I hope you found this video useful. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.